Lit.
You know I love making that interest.
Alrighty, I'm taking my door handles off my cupboard for this. So that's how dedicated I am doing. That's a flathead. This one's not. Oh my god, they're flatheads the whole time. I had a flathead in here. Oh my god. The day I'm having, I walked around looking for that fucking star screwdriver for ages, and it's now a flathead screwdriver. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. I don't know, I might be just ready. I don't know if I can actually get them off. I might just have to work around them. Okay, I seriously can't get them off because it's not like a flathead. It must have been like a drill or something like that. I don't know. So, what I did was, I literally just got my Vogue magazine that I used from doing my vision wall, and I ripped out all the pages that I wanted. What I would do is color code, like color coordinate your shit. So like do a black and pink theme and get like all black and pink pictures. But I just went all random because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, so don't quote me on it. And then I grabbed some Better Homes and Gardens. Top plans at the back. Better Homes and Gardens. Magazines, I think I might chuck these ones on the ground because you're not exactly going to see the ones on the ground as much. And then I have my other retro magazine just in case. Alright, and then what I kind of did was put them in order of light to dark. And I'm going to try and like figure out a pattern or something. I don't know. I've got no rhyme, no reason. I might come back when I know some type of like, I'm going to lay it down on the bed and see how I want it. I'll come back and show you guys later. I'm just filming off my phone quickly, but I also need some more room on the bed, so I'm going to stick these up. This is what I've got so far. And yeah, let's do it. Woo. I don't know how to transition, but let's see how that goes. I'm gonna stick them up. Oh, I didn't think it was gonna be that high. Maybe I need more. Well, I'm gonna start where I feel like it because that's how it works, okay? I wonder if I can play, so I watch Elmo Films. His name's Spencer Elmo. He's a YouTuber. Anyway, he makes music. This is his song. I don't know how long I can play it for, but I'm playing it. Surely I can promote a YouTuber that I watch, mate.
Times when life was much easier. Go to school, eat nothing, play FIFA. Skip homework and lie to the teacher. Run off to the skate park with Samuel and Peter.
Oh, gee, that shot.
No desk, no X, not staring in the mirror, trying to cover up.
There's shoot over there.
Trying to prestige and sort it out with Bethany. Yo, life is so simple, but likes and retweets have made us so sinful. Download apps to search for other singles. Social profiles.
I'm aware I look weird too, but I'm just going to get dressed to take photos, so why get dressed again to film?
It's been a long time from sitting in a classroom waiting, wishing for some help.
How are they looking, straight or not? Can you hear that gunshot? They shoot kangaroos, I'm pretty sure. They shoot anything actually, to be honest.
In a lockbox, so I got the thought in a Burberry crop top. Now everything I earn by dosh, but you ain't the baby, you're not pop, you're a soft cop. I'm protecting my drive like bumpers. I storm Z, but let's take care for
Sorry.
I'll be here all day if I keep moving. my light on, but I've finished this little like wall. It's not exactly what I wanted, but like I had to work with what I had. So I'm gonna put on some clothes. I'm kind of just wanting to go for like some jeans and a plain top. I also want to do something with my hair a little bit, but I don't have that much time. So let's see what we can do. I'm gonna go. I'll see you soon. Look, now you guys can watch my shenanigans. Okay, I have this little Bluetooth button for like my phone to connect to. So I'm just gonna do that so then I can take my photos on a self timer. Okay, now connected. Yeah, just took a photo, lit. I want to do back camera. This is better, but I can't see, so I'm not gonna do back camera. This is fucking sick. I can't hold it on because this is lit, guys. Wait. Okay, I'm gonna take some photos. That was weird, but. Okay, I look really white and weird. First outfit, I'm not going to do any makeup. I'm just going to take some photos. Let's see how we go. I'm probably gonna have to remake this because I look like shit crying over fucking photos. Did my photo shoot, you would have fucking seen. All photos deleted. I could fucking... can't even say I could fucking cry. I'm fucking bawling my eyes out. So, please like this fucking video. Fucking can't do this. I'll see you guys later.